Hey you guys, we just made it to downtown Vegas. We are staying at the El Cortez. We'll be sure to show you our room and what we think. Hey you guys, we just got checked in here at the El Cortez. We're in room 314, so we're not up very high. We weren't sure at first. We're only here a couple nights, so don't have the best view, but the room is really, really good size. So 2 queen beds, as you can see, and desk area, nice TV, you know, seems like a good size. And I think we have a fridge, which we always like. Yeah, awesome.
Yeah, nice.
And there's actually a Keurig type machine, which we love, so we don't have to drag ours out of the car. The little sitting area. And over here, closet, no door, but big space, I would say. A safe. And a little vanity mirror area. Not the greatest view, but it seems quiet. We're on the quiet side away from Fremont, so we're glad about that. And the bathroom is a nice subway tile, good sized vanity, nice lighting. I like it, you know?
Yeah,
It's
very nice.
really clean.
Yeah,
Gosh,
really
it
is.
feels really clean.
They did a really good job remodeling these rooms.
They did. So here's the commode and good size shower.
Yeah.
And the frosted door. So overall, this is our second time staying here, and the room is pretty much identical, although I think it's bigger because it kind of has that area.
Yeah, because
we're
at the end of the hall.
we're at the end of the hall, which is kind of nice. So very good size. So far, so good. They were extremely nice and helpful at check-in, and it was easy. We parked in the parking structure this time. So we'll let you know what we think about our room, but I would say first reaction, do you agree there, Mr. G3?
It's really nice.
Yeah, very nice. Very nice. Hey you guys, so we just checked out of El Cortez in downtown Vegas and are heading out, and kind of wanted to give a recap. This was our second time staying there, and we thoroughly give it a rave review our first time, which was probably 6 months ago maybe, I think. Yeah. So, oops, sorry about that. So, we still really like it. I mean, I think overall the property itself, and they've done a ton of improvements, a whole new gaming area, which you saw in the video. But I will say, so we checked in and our room was comped, and it seemed fine. We were only on the 3rd floor, and there are 15 floors? Yeah. So we're like, okay, you know, it's 2 nights, can't be too bad. So we did ask for away from Fremont Street because we know it's really loud on that side. So in a nutshell, the first night was pretty rough. being down that low, you hear all the street noise. And I mean, I don't know how many police sirens.
Yeah,
I mean, there's a lot of police activity around there.
Like hot rods and motorcycles.
It was, yeah, like every Harley, I think, in the world was, going right by our room. And our air conditioner was making this like kerplunking noise in the middle of the night.
It would like every hour or so, it would like something's crashing into the ceiling, like
Yeah.
So, and it would wake you up out of a dead sleep.
Yeah, totally startle you awake, like what the heck just dropped in the room or whatever. So
the first night was pretty rough.
It was pretty rough, yeah. So we went down the next morning and really we're thinking at least if we can get the air conditioner fixed, if they can figure that out, we'll be cool for one more night. Well, they were very gracious and didn't even go that route at all. We're just like, we'll give you a new room, we'll get you on a higher floor and everything. So we ended up on the 15th floor. Oh my gosh, like a world of difference.
Night and day.
Night and day. So quiet up there.
Mm-hmm.
Good air conditioner.
Good air conditioner. I will say the refrigerator went out in the middle of the night, which, it was only one night and it didn't make that much of a difference, but fortunately we didn't have a bunch of stuff in there because it went on when we first got in the room and then somewhere along the line it just turned off. So
yeah, I think that was really the only glitch with our second room though. I will say I wasn't in love with the shower. The water pressure was just not good. I mean, it was like if I would have had to wash my hair there is no way I'd be getting any shampoo or conditioner out of my hair. So
it was a nicely remodeled bathroom, but just not very good pressure.
Yeah, the pressure wasn't good. I think the linens were nice, pillows comfy, bed comfy, and a very spacious room as you saw.
Very spacious,
we basically
nice
had the
TV.
Same room when we moved, just up 12 flights or whatever. But I know we talked about this in our first video review of El Cortez, but their staff is absolutely incredible. They just are so kind.
They're so accommodating, and the cleaning staff and everything, so diligent.
Yeah, and they just, don't seem like, oh God, I'm at work, I hate this job. They all seem pretty, happy and joyful. It's really nice and refreshing compared to some places we stay. So that's nice too.
And the check-in process, it's just such a small place. It's so easy to. There was nobody at the front desk.
True.
It's midweek, but it's just such an easy check-in process. And this is our first time. The last time the garage was closed, so we didn't stay in the garage. And the garage is very easy.
Yeah, very convenient. And I will say too, because I know a lot of people are like, oh, it's pretty scummy down, the downtown area, and it's, may not feel like it's safe. What I really like at El Cortez is that when you check in, they give you a wristband, and that's your room key, but that's also to use the elevator. So you can't get on the elevators and go into the hotel portion unless you have the wristband. So I feel totally safe there.
Oh yeah, and their garage was staffed.
True.
So we're worried about the car getting broken into or anything.
Right. Yeah.
So.
True. Yeah. And very convenient. I would say very easy.
It was easy. The garage and the check-in was very easy.
So I'm really glad we moved rooms.
Yeah.
So my suggestion would be if you're going to stay there, definitely, probably 10th floor and above, I would say, because then you don't get the street noise at all. So it was really a whole different experience. I still enjoy that property.
Yeah, we'll stay there again.
Yeah, I think we will.
The gaming was kind of up and down. I'll tell you, the newly remodeled casino is really nice. And, we didn't do great playing there, but we didn't do too bad either.
Yeah, and definitely worth checking out. They've kept the old school Vegas vibe in a portion, the majority of the casino and lobby area and everything, which I really like. I think that's cool. But then the new area is really modern and more like a I guess like a circa or something like that. It has that feel, loud music and very modern and clean and contemporary. So it's definitely worth checking out. It's not right on Fremont Street Experience where everything else is, but worth the extra block to check it out. And if you do, and if you end up staying there, we'd love to hear from you and hear what your experience was. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button.